Lesson for today is about languages. So we've received requests for our Tagalog and English speakers for them to be included. And so here we are with our language. So I will translate from Bisaya to Tagalog to English. So una sa tanan, first of all, una sa lahat, malipayong Domingo. Maligayang Linggo. Happy Sunday. So when we say himaya sa Diyos, we can also say dalaygon sa Diyos. Dalaygon ang Diyos. In Tagalog, that is papuri sa Diyos. And in English, that is glory to God. Himaya means glory, but we interchange it with dalaygon, which means praise. Okay, so to one of my technique to educate myself is that I use it in a song. So for Bisaya, we sing himaya sa Diyos. Ready? Sing. Dito sa langit, kait sa iyang mga tao, dinhi sa yuta. Langit nung hari, Diyos Amahan, makagagaho sa tanan. Nagasimba kami kanimo, nagkapasalamat kami kanimo. Nagaday kami kanimo, tungod sa imong himaya. Himaya sa Diyos dito sa langit. We can also say dalaygon or daikon. Ready? Sing! Daygon ta ang Ginoo, uban sa mga bagong awit, ang kalipay ta isingit, ang Ginoo labing hingpit. And in Tagalog, we say papuri sa Diyos. Handa, awit. Papuri sa Diyos, papuri sa Diyos, papuri sa Diyos sa kaitaasan. And in English, we say glory to God. Glory to God in the highest, and peace to God's people on earth. Glory to God in the highest, and peace to God's people on earth. Another phrase that we can learn is this one. We say in Bisaya, puno kaayo akong kasing-kasing. Kasing-kasing is heart or puso. We like to repeat our words. Kasing-kasing. In Tagalog, we say, punong-puno ang puso ko. Kasing-kasing, puso. Punong-puno means puno kaayo. Like we always want to emphasize, so we double our words. That's how Filipino do it. And in English, we say, my heart is full. Maura to dam, kay naluto na among dinner. Bye!